Hi everyone, I'm James Wong. I'm your host today, and I'm sitting here with Dr. Dr Ozello of Championship Chiropractic. We're going to talk today all about thoracic. So let's get right into it. Dr. Ozello,
Yes.
what is the thoracic spine and what's thoracic extension?
Well, the thoracic spine is the medical name for the midback. There's 12 vertebrae in a thoracic spine. They articulate with the ribs. So we have the neck, that's a cervical spine. We have the low back, that's a lumbar spine. And what's in between is the thoracic spine, that's the midback. Thoracic extension is straightening the thoracic spine or bending backwards. The muscles in the thoracic spine that extend the thoracic spine are the deeper muscles are the multifidi, and the more superficial muscles are the thoracic paraspinal muscles, or the also called the erector spinae muscles.
So obviously it's important to have a strong thoracic spine. How does that help us improve our posture?
Well, it helps a great deal because you think about how many things that we do where we are looking forward. We may be on our phones, we may be on our laptops, and everything brings us forward so we can obviously see better.
All day.
Yep, all day long. So we want to strengthen the muscles that straighten the thoracic spine, but move us into thoracic extension. Not only build strength, but to build endurance in those muscles. So what that's going to do, it's going to straighten us up, put us in a better overall posture, which is when we see people bending forward, okay, what's happening is there's weakness in the thoracic extensor muscles. So we have them straighten out. We strengthen the thoracic extensor muscles.
So I'm guessing that could probably help you improve your health as well.
Oh, definitely, definitely. First of all, it's going to help you with how you breathe because your spine is going to be straighter, your rib cage is going to be open, your shoulders are going to be pulled backwards. So it's going to allow the diaphragm and the rib cage to be functioning the way that they should. If your rib cage is not moving properly, you're not going to be able to breathe properly.
Wow, so having a strong and a flexible thoracic spine is going to change a lot for us.
Oh, definitely.
So what kind of exercises do you recommend for thoracic extension and strength?
Well, the very basic exercise is just a thoracic extension exercise. You can do that seated, you could do it kneeling, you could do it in a quadruped position, you could do it standing, you could do it prone if you wanted to. I like to have people start doing it prone or seated, and it's just the idea of bending that thoracic spine backwards as far as you can.
Oh yeah, it's easy to do in your chair.
Yep, and you hold that position. It's an isometric contraction because it builds strength and endurance, because we need that endurance. If for some reason those muscles are weak and they don't have endurance, we start to move forward. And so we want to build the strength and endurance in those muscles, because at the end of the day, when those muscles are fatigued, we want them to still have that endurance so that they can keep us in a good posture.
How long should you hold an isometric exercise like that?
You start with a 2-second hold, and then you build to a 6-second hold. And you could start whatever number of repetitions works good for you, even if it's just 3 or 4 repetitions. And then you build up to 15 or 20 repetitions. And there are variations that you could use in different ways that you could provide resistance. But right now, just do it as a body weight exercise. And it's going to be fantastic if you start with a 2-second hold, build to a 6-second hold, and build to 15 or 20 repetitions on thoracic extension.
That's great. It's easy. Get started. Thanks, Dr. Ozello.
You're welcome, James, and thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching today's video on spine health. If you have questions, feedback, or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Please feel free to like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube page, Dr. Donald A. Ozello, DC. You can also visit my website, championshipchiropractic.com, where you can see my blog, which contains articles on sports medicine, chiropractic, health, fitness, and nutrition. Thanks again for watching today's video.